Proper skincare is important for people living with an ostomy. Including Sensi sting-free adhesive remover wipes and barrier wipes may be a helpful step in your ostomy routine. Here's how to use them. Sensi sting-free adhesive remover wipes may assist in removing your pouch and adhesive residue left over after removal. Start by removing the wipe from the sachet and unfolding. If you are removing your pouch, begin by gently peeling back the wafer. Gently wipe the adhesive side of the wafer and your skin to aid in pouch removal. Once pouch is removed, the wipe can be used to assist in removing any remaining adhesive on the skin around your stoma. Sensi sting-free barrier wipes create a barrier film that protects the skin from the damaging effects of adhesives, body waste, and enzyme attack. Start by removing the wipe from the sachet and unfolding. Wipe the skin around your stoma prior to applying your new pouching system. It dries quickly, allowing you to put on a new pouch right away. Sensi sting-free adhesive remover and barrier are also available in easy-to-use sprays. Wipes and sprays are available for purchase now at StomaBags.com. To find out more about these products, or if you have more questions, call 1-800-422-8811 to speak with one of our Me Plus specialists, or you can visit Convatec.com.